everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks. So this cute little hat with the scarecrow face painted on was given to me, but I want to revamp it a little bit. I'm not quite liking the paint job. So I just Googled scarecrow face and brought up a picture that I liked, and I thought that I would try to do it. It's pretty much an easy project, except it's very textured, so you just have to go very slow and easy. Try to get in all the nooks and crannies. So I'm starting with this yellow paint that I've added a little light brown to, just to make it a little bit darker. So I'm starting off with this pretty yellow color. I think it's called dark yellow, but it's still a little bit too bright. So I'm going to darken it up a little bit with this golden beige. And I'm going to actually paint a circle for the face. So I'm mixing it up really well. And I'm going to figure out how large I want the face. I think I want it about this size diameter, so I'm going to paint over everything on this hat. So I think this is about the size that I want. So I've painted that yellow color, and now I'm going to go around the edge with an orange tone and just make like a little outside edge area, kind of like a shadow. So that's what I have so far. I just took this tropic orange color and a little paintbrush, and just while it was still wet, just did a light little edge all around the diameter. So there's my face. So now I'm going to paint two big white eyes, and they're going to be connected. So this is going to be so cute. I can't wait till it comes out. And well, I've got to let this white dry pretty good before I can add any of the color to it. So I'll let that set, and next I'm going to go ahead and work on the nose. So I just made a basic triangle for the nose, and I use this harvest orange to do that with. So he's finally starting to look like a scarecrow face. I think it's going to be adorable. So I need to let that dry as well. And let's work on the mouth next. So instead of doing the mouth next, I have to get the cheeks on first. So I mixed a little of the orange and white paint together to make a cheek color. So I'll get those on, and then I'm going to follow this line right here to do the mouth. But I gotta let the cheeks dry up well. So the mouth will be next. Okay, so I made the mouth a little bit bigger. I went down one more line, and I think it came out super cute. So there's the mouth, and now I just need to work on the eyes. I think it's dry enough that I can paint black over them. So before painting the black, I need to put the green on. And so I'm just going to put this green on and let it dry real well. And this green is just called grass green. So once that is dry, I will put the black pupils on it and get everything touched up and outlined in black. Looking good. So now I've added the black, and I'm going to go ahead and let that dry, and then I'll put my little white dots in it, and that's what really makes the eyes come to life. And then I'll get the eyelashes painted on and the eyebrows. Okay, so here I went ahead and I outlined the eyes, then the nose, and painted the eyelashes and the eyebrows on. Actually, I cheated and used a permanent Sharpie pen because it is so textured. It's really hard to use a fine paintbrush on this. So here I've added my white dots. Each eye has 4, 2 on the black, 2 on the green, and I just use a fine paintbrush and dip it down into the paint, and then I bring it straight down and just leave a little dot on it. So I think it's coming out super cute, but I have to change that bow, and I'm going to look through my stash and see what I have. Now, whoever had this before already put the wire hanger on it, and I'll probably add a few little flowers up around the top, and it's about done. I think it's adorable. So let me finish this up. So I think it is so cute. I added a few little leaves on the top, a few berries, made her look like she's wearing pigtails, and then this rust-colored bow. And I think it came out adorable. I love it. So I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Love you guys.